Revision of chapter 2 and 3. Main topics are numbers 1 to 20, numbers name 1 to 20, count and write, missing numbers, symbols less than, greater than and equal, circle the greatest and smallest number, ascending order and descending order, ordinal number, addition 1 to 20, a one digit, then last one word problem. First one is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Numbers name ONE1 1, TWO 2, THRW 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SCVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTWN 13, FOURTWN 14, FIFTWN 15, SIXTWN 16, SCVN 7, TWN 17, EIGHTWN 18, NINE TWN 19, TWENTY 20. Next topic is count and write. What's mean by count and write? Some birds are sitting here. We have to count how many numbers of birds are here and write the number, that is count and write. Let us start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds are here. So we have to write here 6. Some cakes are here. We have to count and write the number of cakes. Let us start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 cakes are here. So we have to write here 14. Next one is missing number. What is missing number? Dear children, some numbers are given here. We have to find out which number is not here. That is missing number. Let us check. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, where is our 5? 5 is not here. It means one number is missing. That number is 5. So missing number is 5. Let us check next example. Next problem 13-15-17 18-20. How can solve this problem? Let us check. First we have to say forward counting. 13, 14. 14 is not here. It means 14 missing number. So we got first missing number. Let's continue our counting. 13, 14, 15. Oh, next number also missing. 16 is not here. So 16 also missing number. 17, 18, 19. 19 is here, missing here. So 19 also missing number. Then 20. Now it is okay. We got 3 missing number. Now we got all missing numbers. We have to fill the numbers and count again. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next one, after, before, between. Children, look here. What is this? These are some birds. Can you say their names? First one is sparrow, second one is pigeon, third one is penguin. They are in a line. Okay. What is the position of sparrow? Sparrow is before the pigeon. Next, what is the position of penguin? The penguin is after the pigeon. What is the position of pigeon? Yes, the pigeon is between sparrow and penguin. Did you understand the concept of after, before, between? For example, here we have some numbers. Okay. Now let us learn before concept. Here we have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Can you find which one is the before of 2? Yes, one is the before of 2. Next, after. Can you say which number will come after 2? Yes, 3 is the answer. Next one, between. Can you say which number is in between 1 and 2? Yes, 2 is in between 1 and 3. One more example for you. What comes before? Now we should count backward counting. 10, 9, 8. So 10 before 9. So what comes before 10? Answer is 9. Next one is what comes after 12. So we should count forward counting for after. Let us start. Count with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, yes, 13 is the number which will come here. Next one, what comes between? What comes between 7 and 9? How can we find the between number? Here also we should count forward counting. Okay? Let us start. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Tell me which number comes between 7 and 9? 8. So answer is 8. Next one, comparison of numbers. What is comparison? Here we have two numbers. We should compare which number is bigger or which number is smaller. I will tell you a story. Please listen carefully, okay? There was an alligator. This alligator is always wishes to eat lot of fish. What do you mean by lot of? Yes, it is bigger number of fishes. It always faces the bigger number. How does alligator open its mouth? Comparison got sign from alligator. So this is the sign of greater than. Did you get? This is our topic. Greater than, less than, equal to. We have two numbers, 4 and 12. Can you say which number does alligator eat? We have to find out which number is bigger number, 4 or 12. Yes, 12 is bigger number. So alligator will eat number 12. So we have to put this symbol. How can we compare these numbers? 12 is greater than 4. Next problem, 14 and 6. How can we compare these numbers? First we have to find out which number is bigger number. Okay? Then we will put the sign. Okay? Which number alligator will eat? Tell me which number is bigger number, 14 or 6? Yes, 14 is the bigger number. So the alligator will eat number 14. So we have to put this sign. How can we compare these numbers? 6 is smaller than 14. Next pattern. Circle the greatest number in each set. Let us start. Few numbers are given here. 5, 3, 11, 6. We have to find out which number is bigger number. Can you say which number is bigger number? Yes, 11 is the biggest number. So we have to circle number 11. Next set is 15, 8, 6, 12. We have to find out which number is biggest number. Here 15 is biggest number, so we have to circle the number 15. Next one. In this group we have few numbers 6, 1, 2, 8. We have to find out which number is bigger number and circle the number. Here 8 is the biggest number. So we have to circle the number 8. Circle the smallest number. Here we have few numbers 3, 7, 5, 9. Here we have to find out which number is smallest number. Tell me which number is smallest number? Yes, 3 is the smallest number. So we have to circle 3. Next problem 14, 16, 5, 11. We have to find out which number is smallest number.
Can you say which number is smallest number? Yes, 5 is the smallest number. So we have to circle number 5. Next one, ascending order and descending order. What do you mean by ascending order? When we arrange numbers from the smallest number to the greatest number, that is ascending order. And what do you mean by descending order? When we arrange numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number, that is descending order. First, let us learn ascending order. How can we arrange these numbers in ascending order? First, we have to find out which number is the smallest number. Tell me which number is the smallest number? We have write number 5 in first place. Why? It is the smallest number. And next, which number is the smallest number in that group? Yes, 6 is the next smallest number. So we have to write the second number 6.
Next we have to find out third number. Here we have 8, 9, 7. Which number is the smallest number in this group? Yes, answer is 7. So we have to cut 7 and write here 7. How can we find the fourth number? Here remains 2 numbers. Find the smallest number and write. The 2 numbers are 8 and 9. Which number is the smallest number in 8 and 9? 8. So we have to write 8. At last, the only one number is remaining. That number is 9. So we have to write the 9. Yes. Now we arranged the numbers in ascending order. Next problem, 10, 8, 14. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Let us start. Can you say which number is the smallest number in 10, 8, 14? Yes, 8 is the smallest number. So we have to cut 8 and write first number we got. Then second number. How can we find? Now we have only 2 numbers, 10 and 14. Which number is the smallest number in 10 and 14? Yes, 10 is smallest number. So we have to write the second number is 10. Then third number, we know only one number is remaining, 14. So we have to write 14. Yes, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Next one is descending order. Here we have 4 numbers, 3, 4, 2, 6. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay? What is descending order? Descending order is arranging numbers from the greatest number to the smallest number. That is descending order. Which is the greatest number in these numbers? Yes, 6 is the greatest number. So we have to cut the 6 and write 6. We got first number. Then second number. Can you say which number will come? Yes, 4 is the greatest number in 3, 4, 2. Now only 2 numbers are remaining, isn't it? 3 and 2. Which number is bigger number? 3. 3 is the bigger number. So we have to write here 3. Now only 2 is left. So we have to write 2. Now we have arranged these numbers in descending order. Next problem, 5, 8, 4, 7. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Let us start. Which number is the biggest number? 5, 8, 4, 7. Yes, 8 is the biggest number. So we got first number, then second number. Which is the greatest number in 5, 4, 7? Yes, 7 is the greatest number. Which number will be next? Which is the bigger number in 5 and 4? Yes, 5 is the bigger number. So we have to write here 5. Okay, now we have arranged the given numbers in descending order.
Next one is ordinal numbers. What do you mean by ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers indicates or shows the order or rank of position in a set. First, second, third, etc. How can we say ordinal number? Let us study. Okay?
1. First, F-I-R-S-T, first. 2. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. 3. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. 4. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. 5. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. 6. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7th, seventh. 8. Eighth, E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. 9. Ninth, N-I-N-T-H, ninth. 10. Tenth, T-E-N-T-H, tenth. For example, write the ordinal number of 7. Ordinal number of 7 is 7th. Next one, write the ordinal number of 10. Ordinal number of 10 is 10th. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Next one is addition. What do you mean by addition? Addition means adding two numbers.
Adding two or more objects is denoted by plus sign and is termed as sum or plus.
For example, 4 plus 2. How can we add these numbers? We have 4 flowers. We add 2 flowers more. Then how many flowers are here? Count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Addition facts. Addition fact of 0. When we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Addition fact of 1. By adding 1 to a number, we get the next number. For example, 6 plus 1. How can we solve this problem? Let us start. We have 6 chilies. Okay, we add one more chilies. Now let us count how many chilies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is the next number of 6. Next, order in addition. 2 or more numbers can be added in any order. The sum remains the same. For example, 3 plus 2 is equal to. We have 3 tomatoes. We have add 2 more tomatoes. How many tomatoes are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next we have to check 2 plus 3 is equal to. Okay, let me start. Here we have 2 ice creams. Okay, we add 3 more ice creams. Now how many ice creams are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Look here, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The answer is same. Adding numbers vertically. For example, 5 plus 2. How can we add these numbers? Let us start. Okay, here we have 5 roses. Then we add 2 more roses. Now we have to count how many roses are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Word problems. First question. Ritika has 5 chocolates and Meenakshi has 4 chocolates. How many chocolates do they have in all? Students, how can we solve this problem? Let us start. Okay. Here we have 2 girls, Ritika and Meenakshi. Ritika has 5 chocolates. How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. Meenakshi has 4 chocolates. How many chocolates? 4 chocolates. Now, how many chocolates do they have in all? It means total number of chocolates. So we have to add all the chocolates. Let us count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So the answer is they have 9 chocolates in all. Next word problem. There are 5 balls, 6 bats and 3 shuttles in a shop. How many sport items are there in all? In this problem, we have to find out all sport items. It means we have to add all the numbers. Okay? Let us start. 3 items are here: balls, bats and shuttles. How many balls are here? 5. Next, how many bats are here? 6. How many shuttles are here? 3. Now we have to add all these numbers. 5, 6, 3. 6 bats are here. So you have to count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we have 3 shuttles. So continue our counting. 12, 13, 14. So total number of sport item is 14. So answer is there are 14 items in all. I hope you have learned these chapters. Thank you.